Namaskar students, welcome to the dance class. So, you are very excited to learn new things today? Yes, so today the topic of our dance class is Abhinay. What is Abhinay? Abhinay is expressions. Today I am going to tell you the techniques which are involved in Abhinay. Abhinay means to express. When we are dancing, we need to express ourselves. Dance means to express ourselves. So when we are expressing something through our dance, that means the audience is also enjoying. Audience enjoys when they see us enjoying. So we need to express our dance. Whenever we are dancing, we need to express ourselves, or we need to tell the story, or whatever I want to tell through my dance, I need to express it through my body, through my facial expression, and through my hand movements and footwork. We need to express that. So let's see. Every parent is happy and excited when they have a baby. But what if the baby is special? So today I have chosen a topic which I will be expressing through Abhinaya. The topic is the parents, those who are having special child, how they feel when their child does not like to interact with other children. How they feel when the child doesn't hug them, when they try to hug their child, he or she refuses to hug them back. How they feel and the child refuses to be touched. When the parents want to talk to the child and the child doesn't respond. When the child is disturbed with various sounds around him or her, what is the reaction of the parent? When the child is different from all the other children, how they feel? So through Abhinaya, today I am going to describe all these points through my dance. So let's see, will I be able to express that?
So, you have seen how the parent deal with their child when they are special. The parent need to be calm when dealing with these child. They are very special to them. The child, how the child react to this, how they will express their love for their parent, I have shown, I have explored all these points through this dance. I hope I have explored all these points through this dance. The parent need to be very calm while dealing with special child. In this dance, I have shown how the child refuse to be hugged or to be touched by his or her parents. The child was disturbed with different sounds. The child was unable to express his love for his parents. The child refused to play and interact with others. The parent dealt with the child in a very special way. The mother has given the child all the options to make him feel comfortable. By providing him all the necessary environment, by encouraging him to go outside and interact with others, but the child refused. At the end, the mother encouraged the child to do painting. The mother herself shown her how to do painting. At first, the child refused to do painting also. But later on, when the child observed that the painting looks beautiful, he was encouraged to do painting. And at the end, the child made a very beautiful painting. And the mother was happy to see her child smiling face. I hope I have shown all these points in my dance performance through my expression. Thank you.